With all the cool electronics on cars these days, I have one of the neatest things I've seen in a while. It's the DashCommand module from Palmer Performance Engineering. It's a really simple device. It's an app for your car's engine. It works on your smartphone. It works on iOS or Android devices. And all you have to do is simply plug in the DashCommand module into your diagnostic port right here underneath the dash. It automatically connects. You got an app on your smartphone or tablet, connects Bluetooth. We'll open it up. Simple as that. It's got all the settings. You can change everything. It's not only record fuel economy, horsepower, torque, has 0 to 60, an eighth mile. It has quarter mile. It'll give you all those speeds, but also has a really sophisticated trip computer. You can monitor your driving habits, how many times you stopped, you're filling up with fuel, fuel economy, each gear you're in. I mean, that thing covers everything. Connect to the car. We'll fire the car up. You can have your vehicle, you can put in different vehicles, plug it in. We want to connect. Right here, it's connecting to the car. It's connected. Now we'll go to dashboard. Right here, we'll pull up dashboard. All your gauges. You can customize the settings on this, change the gauges, change the way you want it to look. You can see it's monitoring the engine right here. We got, see right here, give it throttle, RPMs. It's got the accelerometer. We have the power, we have torque, boost and vacuum. Also, we go to the fuel economy. If you want to fill your car up, it tells you how much range you have, how much fuel's in the tank, 55% full right now. Here's the engine. We have the coolant temperature, intake temperature, timing, mass airflow, all your gauges. You can customize these, move them all around. Here we have the trip. You want to start a trip, it tells you the fuel economy, how much fuel you've used, how much you can punch in, how much the gas cost, tells you distance traveled, how long you've been driving, you know, when you started. All the different information down here. Right here we go to the shift. You can set shift points and where you want to shift. It'll tell you how long you're in that gear. I mean, this thing has got it all. Here's the fuel economy, how much fuel we've used over the time. It's got a little bit of everything. You can go back to this screen. We have the gauges. Right now, here's all the gauges, what the car is doing while it's running. Pages after pages. There's performance of the engine. Right here we got all the performance. You can sit now. We can hit accelerate to start. We can do 60 feet, 330, eighth mile, 1,000 foot, and quarter mile times. And the really cool part is, when you're done and you made a really good quarter mile run in your car, you want all your buddies to know, you hit the share button in the app itself, post it to Facebook. You can do a little bragging. It's pretty cool. You got data, tells you all the information, where you're at, GPS, all the gauges. And you can also email this to yourself when you're done. So you can log it, look at it on your computer. They cover just about everything in this thing. We've got diagnostics. That's one thing I really like about this. If you have a diagnostic code, I can read the codes. If there's anything wrong with the car, your check engine light comes on. Instead of having a high-dollar diagnostic tool that all the shops have, you can do it right here from your car. Everything is green, engine codes are all good. You can clear them, a little bit of everything. Here's where you put in you got a Ford Focus right here. You want a vehicle, type in your vehicle information, it logs wirelessly. One other thing, if you've got a new aftermarket Pioneer, JVC, Clarion radio, you can connect your smartphone and you can see it all on your radio. They have thought of everything. I like this thing. I gotta have one of these